قولي ومسكيني هو جا بيشرق البحر كل طني الزال فلاس يغلسل الله ساق حبار قطاسي اصفار غفن عزيزان فلاس.
It's not that I left you. If I stay silent, it'll reach my soul. That night among the crowd, I heard your voice. The words you wrote still burn inside, like distant waves I can't avoid.
The ink was dark, it got too deep, a poison root I couldn't keep. My heart in exile across the sea, carrying pain inside of me. Through every storm it learned to cry, yet held your name, that one died. يولي مسكيني رجع يشرق البحر كل طني الزال فلاس يغلس لاسك حبار قطاسي اصفار غثن عزيزان فلاس.
You wanted them to follow me, but inside our hides in secrecy. Time betrayed what you'd once scarf. A silent half became a slough.
But away will rise and find my way and come back home one distant day. قولي ومسكيني وجار يشرد البحر كل طني الزل فلاس يغلس لاسك حبار قطاسي اصفار غفن عزيزين فلاس. One day before the fall of night, I return with open light. I wipe away your hidden tears and silence all those wasted years. They'll say my name across the square, the one whose back is standing there. I'm not lost, I found my flame, though they spoon